The first step to buying BezosBucks is to go ahead and visit metamask.org. You're going to download this extension for your browser. And well, I'm using Chrome, so we'll install MetaMask Chrome. And go ahead and set that up, set up your wallet. Make sure to write down your passphrase. So make sure it's installed, and then we're going to head over to Coinbase.com. You can use any other exchange you'd like, but I like to use Coinbase. In order to purchase BezosBucks, you're going to need some Ethereum. So we're going to go ahead and buy. And I'll just buy like $50 worth of Ethereum. So first we'll choose Ethereum and select how much you want. And we'll go ahead and buy now once we're ready. Gonna wait for it to approve. And there we go, it's complete. Alright, let's head back over to MetaMask. And we're gonna copy your account address. So just click to copy, and it's copied. Bring that over to Coinbase so we can send our Ethereum to our MetaMask wallet. So just say all and go ahead and hit continue. So that's going to take our Ethereum that we just bought and send it to our MetaMask wallet so we can do anything we'd like with it. Gives us full control. So once we're done with that, head over to BezosBucks.org. This is the website where you'll find all the official information for BezosBucks. Go ahead and check MetaMask one more time to make sure that your funds have appeared. And once they're there, go ahead and click buy on Uniswap. This is going to bring up the Uniswap website, which lets you swap Ethereum for any other tokens. In this case, we're going to be buying Bezos. Go ahead and choose the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. I don't use max, I just use something that's a little bit less, and then make sure you're on Bezos and hit swap. Go ahead and confirm this transaction. That's going to show you the gas fee and how much you're swapping over. Wait for that to finish pending. Once that transaction is finished pending, then you'll have your Bezos. But one thing you have to do in order to see the Bezos in your MetaMask, go ahead and open BezosBucks.org again and copy the contract address at the top. Open up MetaMask, and then we're going to go down to add token, choose custom token, paste in that address. All the details will fill in automatically, and just hit next and add tokens. And now you'll see your purchased tokens of BezosBucks. It really is very simple to buy BezosBucks, and now you're a proud owner of this amazing token. Please visit BezosBucks.org, get started, and I'll see you guys on the Telegram. Peace.